Malte, hello.
Piotr?
I'm glad you are here again with me.
Thank you.
So, could you first introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes, of course. So my name is Malte Schlüter. I'm global responsible for food and beverage, CPG, FMCG and life science at Mitsubishi Electric.
All right, Malte. So I wanted to discuss with you a specific point related to quality of production. Because today I had a couple of conversations and basically quality is being listed as one of the main problems in any type of manufacturing, but especially in food and beverage, right?
Correct.
So first, could you explain what influences the quality of production?
Well, there are a lot of different parameters on quality of production. So there is quality of your machinery, there's quality of the goods that are used to produce the goods. It's the way, the process you are using to produce your goods. There are quality issues. And then at the end of the day, also the packaging and repackaging is very important for the quality because you're producing good things. And then if you don't pack them well and if you don't transport them well, so it's a complete question of the value chain, from the raw material to the manufacturing of the goods, to the packaging, the transportation, and then at the end user or at the point of sale where the parts are arriving. So this is a complete chain. And what we see today, there's a lot of inspection work happening. So there are a lot of steps in between, and 99% of these steps are purely done by humans. So there's a pure flow of controls by humans. And I always like to see that we come into a big factory, a lot of things are fully automated and the production flow is fully automated and things are done quite controlled, and you have perhaps 1-2 operators, but then around these guys you find 5 to 8 people that check the quality, that take samples, that are controlling what is going on with the goods, are they still good, and these kind of things. So the production is fully automated, the quality control is a manual process with a lot of paperwork.
Okay, but maybe there is a reason behind it. Maybe it's because it's harder to automate than other tasks. So can you list technologies that can be used to automate those processes?
I mean, it starts with digitalization. So all our processes, all what we produce are, there are data inside. So I can measure the data of the temperature. I can measure the data of the production pressures and speeds and all these kind of things. So I can start to collect a lot of data of my processes and use them to put them in correlation to the quality output. But also inspecting goods. A lot of quality processes people are doing. So they're taking samples and they destroy the samples to find defects. And what we are trying to offer is solutions on a visual base. So we take images with normal visual sensors, line bar scanners or normal cameras, but also, of course, we take height profiles with laser scanners or spectral analytics pictures. We merge them, and then on these pictures, we are running them through deep learning AI units, and those are analyzing the pictures, and they are finding the defects, they're finding the unnormal. So the strength of deep learning is to find the unexpected. And that's what we want to find. What is different to normal? Because we cannot teach the system, and that's why you are using humans. You cannot teach the system what is not normal because it's the unexpected. So we need technologies, and that's, for example, the deep learning AI technology is ready to detect the unexpected as a human. And nowadays we have this possibility. So we are offering solution that you have 100% visual inspection without destroying anything, without producing any waste. We can inspect products, the packaging of products, so at many stages, from the raw material to producing the goods till the packaging, we can check visually 100% what is produced.
So would you say that visual inspection done with this kind of vision systems equipped with deep learning is basically the #1 game changer in this regard?
Yes, it's one of the #1 game changers, but it's digitalization is a network of experts. So we have these deep learning vision systems, we have weighing systems. So when we do pick and place with a robot, we can have an Ishida weighing cell on it. And while we are transporting, we're checking the weight. So the combination of visual inspection with the weight or an X-ray scanner to find any hidden metal parts in the product. All these things together are creating 100% doesn't exist, and 99.9% quality guarantee, because you have checked a product from many, many aspects and many sides. Plus the packaging. And then even on the packaging you can find out, is it the right packaging? And that starts with, if you have the wrong packaging material for a product, it's already a failure. Yeah, so we can identify that. We can look at the sealing. The biggest enemy of a good food is air. And if the sealing is not well done, you get air inside and the products are rotten or the products are reduced in their quality. And looking to the sealing quality of packaging next to the product quality, sealing quality of packaging, you can already extend shelf life, you can guarantee shelf life and these kind of things.
All right. So many things to consider, but at the end there is always a solution that actually can be automated. Yeah?
Sure.
All right. So let me ask you a final question, and that would be something that I asked during these interviews. What is your number one advice for manufacturers?
Listen to your people. Because we have it very often, we talk to management and the management, yeah, can you advise us how we should improve quality? What is the most critical for our quality? They are asking us as external consultants. And then I always tell them, listen to your people. Your people in the factories, they know precisely where the problems are. And with those people, we are working together to identify what solution is the best. Is it a visual inspection? Is it a weighing inspection? Is it an ultrasonic inspection? So we have a lot of tools, and we use the tools and listen to the people and understand what they believe is the biggest problem. And if you do this, if you listen to the people and you work with the people and together with the people you implement digitalization, you are very close to a very good solution.
It is a very inspiring answer. Thank you very much, Malte.
It was a pleasure.